Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this short video I wanted to give you a small tip how to make your product descriptions even better. So when writing product descriptions, find your product on Amazon and scroll down to the most frequently asked questions. So each Amazon product obviously has got a section when the potential customers can ask questions. So go down and see what kind of questions customers ask. These will be the questions that probably your customers would love to know before making a purchase. Because you won't have this kind of feature on your website, that might actually deter potential customers because they wouldn't want to risk buying if they don't know, for example, if they get a set of 2 items or one, or whether this is water resistant or water repellent or anything like that. So these questions that you will find on Amazon, it's almost guaranteed that your customers would love to have answered before making a purchase from you. So answer them in your product description. You can either add them as a text, as a paragraph text, or as a bullet point. And this is a great way to improve your conversion rate and also be more competitive than other stores selling the same stuff that wouldn't bother answering this kind of questions. So this is a really powerful and simple technique to really boost your sales. So go ahead and do it. Improve your product descriptions, improve your sales, and you will thank me later. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.